Hey everyone, welcome to Three Dogs in an RV. My name is Stuart.
Missy.
And welcome to the Josh Allen Suite in North Tonawanda. Yes, we are in the Josh Allen Suite. Let that sit in for a second. Let that soak in for a second. We are in Josh Allen's suite.
Yes.
Okay, really, it's not his suite, but the guy markets it on Airbnb as the Josh Allen Suite in North Tonawanda.
Yeah.
Of course, Archie's here. Spooky is right there. And Sammy is right over there. So you may ask yourself, this is a little different surroundings than what we're used to seeing.
Yes.
And why is Three Dogs and an RV, which is an RV YouTube channel, in the Josh Allen Suite? Anyways, in our last video, we're all hyped about our new Thor Venetian, and we got to our campground on the Saturday night and we had a hydraulic problem. So we took it back to Colton RV this morning. Of course, that's in the other video. And the guys were really good. Jeremy at the tech was great. He troubleshot the problem like right away, got everything that he could resolve right away. But we have to order the pump for the hydraulics, so that'll be in on Wednesday, hopefully. And hopefully that fixes, fingers crossed, that fixes everything. And we'll be on our schedule on Friday as we originally planned. But yeah, we're gonna spend a couple days here in the Josh Allen Suite in North Tonawanda. We went out and we kind of did the recording in kind of backwards. This is the opening part of the video. Now you're going to see where we went to for dinner before we recorded this part. So we went to Wally's for pizza and wings. It was really good. And yeah, it was, here we are. So we're in here in this Airbnb for a couple of days as Colton RV fixes our rig.
Which Colton RV has been awesome.
I can't complain about them at all.
No, they've been totally awesome.
It's been a great experience.
So if you're buying an RV from them, get the warranty.
Yes, get the warranty. It's expensive, but get it.
And make sure you get the coach nut because they are awesome too. When we had that problem that night, they called like 4 or 5 times.
So what I learned talking to Chuck today though, if we would have called the Priority RV Network emergency line, Colton RV would have sent out a tech. Oh, you see that? Sammy just came and licked me.
Oh, Sammy, get down.
Sammy, where are you going?
I don't want him up there.
Come on down, Sammy. What are you doing? You want to be on the video? No, now we're getting molested by dogs.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa.
This is what happens when we go out and we come back.
Not up our nose.
No, 3 dogs in an RV. This is Archie, and this is Spooky, and that's Sammy. So Chuck told me if we would have called the Priority RV Network, we would have got a tech from Colton RV.
Oh well, it doesn't matter because CoachNet was awesome. They
Mark from Lockport.
Yeah, and then once he got there, they called back every 30 minutes to see how it was going, if it was getting resolved. So yeah, they were awesome. I couldn't recommend someone more than that. Like,
well, yeah, definitely get the extended warranty. That's a must. All right, my arm's getting sore, so we're gonna go and I need a shower. Not a doggy like oh my goodness. All right, enjoy our scenery, the scenes from around North Tonawanda, and we'll check in later here from the Josh Allen Suite. All right, we're here in beautiful downtown North Tonawanda, New York. So we just went by the Riviera Theater right there. We saw Queens right there. Gee, what, years ago, wasn't it? Several years ago now.
Quite a while ago.
So yeah, downtown North Tonawanda. We, as you explained in the intro video to this segment of 3 Dogs in an RV, that we're here because our rig, our beautiful brand new Thor Venetian B42, is in getting a pump fixed, right?
Yeah.
So here we are, we're Airbnb-ing it in beautiful North Tonawanda. And there's the Riviera marquee sign all lit up here in, yeah, this is, I didn't realize how close we, the only show I ever saw here was that Queensryche show, so there must be a show going on here tonight or something, I don't know. But yeah, a hub of activity in North Tonawanda. So we're looking for a pizza wing place. I can't remember what it's called, but it's around here somewhere. And we'll go in and get some dinner. All right, we'll talk to y'all later. All right, so here we are at Wally Pizza and Wings.
Yes.
These are the classic places to eat. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Look at these 1970 booths. We have this ongoing debate.
Yes.
And I think we had it on Mr. M's video.
Yeah, probably.
Blue cheese or ranch? I say blue cheese.
I say ranch.
So why is that? Why ranch?
Because I don't like the taste of blue cheese.
Yeah.
I don't think it's that uncommon.
Well, I think it is weird to eat ranch and chicken wings. If you think eating chicken wings with ranch is weird, put a comment below, or if you think I'm just weird, leave a comment below.
Yeah, they're all going to comment on it.
So,
On you being weird.
so here we are in beautiful North Tonawanda. Walk by the Riviera.
Yeah.
These are the classic places in Western New York that, we didn't come to a lot.
No, we went to one concert there.
Yeah, but we didn't come into North Tonawanda that much.
No, we didn't. Well, if you look outside, there's not a lot.
No, it's pretty,
So
yeah,
that's
pretty.
probably why we never came here.
Yeah. Anyway, the Riviera's got the tubes coming. That's classic rock.
I see a cheesecake place over there, but I think it's closed.
Oh, we're gonna go and wait for our pizza to show up. Missy's got some pizza.
I do.
Missy's got some pizza.
And it's really hot, so I'm gonna wait a second.
How hot is it?
It's hot. But
On
I'll
a,
get you
on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being hot.
Well, can you see the steam coming off? It is 10 hot.
10 hot. So we just finished dinner at Wally's Pizza and Subs here in North Tonawanda. Missy, what are your thoughts?
It was good. It was really
Would you
good.
come back here?
Yeah, I would.
The guy, you know what I liked about it? And I didn't catch any on the film, but it was like one of those classic joints. People come in, they say hi, it's kind of what you see in a New York City type of movie, like TV show where people walk into the restaurant, they know everybody.
Yeah, like Cheers.
Kind of like Cheers, that's perfect. So anyway, great meal at Wally's Pizza.
Got leftovers.
We got leftovers. So we're gonna head back to our Airbnb and we'll catch y'all later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, here we are on the, this is the canal side. Canal side in North Tonawanda.
Yeah.
What canal is this, Missy? This is
You're asking me.
the North Tonawanda Gateway Harbor. That's what it says. But I don't know what official canal this is. So here we are. Yeah, we're here. It's a kind of a nice day.
Yeah, it's not sunny, but
a little chilly, but not cold. And yeah, North Tonawanda. It's our second day here now. Well, technically our first full 24 hours.
Look at that boat.
We're next to our boat here. No, just kidding.
Yeah, right.
Just kidding. And we're gonna go have some dinner. We're gonna go to this Dockside Bar and Grill, which is up the canal or river. I think it's more of a canal. Anyway, we're gonna go up to Dockside Bar and Grill and have some dinner. Had a very productive day at the Airbnb in the Josh Allen suite.
Yes.
Got lots of work done today. Went to Colton RV to check on the status of the RV, and it was parked outside, plugged in, and we're just waiting for the part to come in. It should be at 11 o'clock tomorrow, Kyle said. So hopefully it works. So we'll be all fixed and we'll be ready to go on Friday. All right, we're gonna go have some dinner. Talk to you in a bit.
We're in the Josh Allen suite, and he goes, Josh Allen. I said, Buffalo Bills quarterback. He goes, he's a freak, isn't he?
Who, me?
And I said, who, Josh Allen? He said, no, Stewart.
Oh.
And I said, really?
This is the condo building that we're staying in.
Yeah, it's nice.
Kind of
it.
an old warehouse they converted into condos or lofts, right?
Smart idea.
Yeah, really good idea. And the restaurant here that we haven't eaten at, but
they're very industrial. I like them though.
yeah, kind of nice. Oh, Time to have some dinner. Check things out. Oh, I stepped in goose shit. I guess I gotta watch for goose shit. Right there. No. Watch out for the goose poop as you're walking around here. So this guy's from Florida. Does he think he tows his boat back, or does he actually?
Oh, that's too big to tow.
How do you? I mean, you would have to go up to St. Lawrence, right? And then, or is there another way to get there? Can you take canals like this, which used to be the main arteries before interstate highways?
Yeah. I'm sure you can get to Florida from here.
Be interested to see how you would do that. This is where we're going. We're going to this Dockside Bar and Grill here in North Tonawanda. So Missy, you're sitting outside having dinner on October, what's the date? October the 5th?
What are you doing?
Excellent, thank you. You know you're having the drink, Missy?
You have a couple drinks now? I'm gonna have water with lemon.
Can I see the beer menu if you're, what do you, IPA, what do you guys got for IPAs here?
A lot of IPAs.
The K2 any Scotch Ale looks good. Let's do that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the water with lemon?
Yes, please.
Okay, sounds good.
It's a nice, that looks like a pretty good shrimp cocktail there, Missy.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
I got one too. Looks pretty yummy. All right, so our stay here at the Josh Allen room, or the Josh Allen suite, is almost done. We just got some good news. Our coach, our rig is ready. Missy's packing everything up so we can head back to Colton RV to pick it all up. And yeah, we got some good news. It's all fixed. The problem with our coach was this: the front jacks. So there's 4 jacks on an RV for those people that don't know. 2 in the rear, 2 in the front. The front jacks, the left and the right, were reversed. So on the flat parking lot, it was fine. But as we got into that first campsite we went to, where it was a little uneven, so picture this: the back right was trying to level with the front right, but the front right was really on the front left, so it was kind of throwing a bunch of weird stuff around and causing the jack system to overwork, which led to the challenge that we had with the hydraulic pump overheating and eventually going unserviceable. So that was the issue. The Colton RV, again, super great. They got it all resolved and taken care of. And we're packing up the Airbnb here, the Josh Allen suite in North Tonawanda, and we're gonna head back to the rig. But I have to get a picture with the man himself right here. So here's me and Josh. No, okay, it's not really Josh Allen. Just a big head on the wall here, but yeah. So thanks to Tim. That's the closest I'm gonna get. Yeah, thanks to Tim and his Airbnb. We had a great time, and we're gonna get back in the car and head out. Missy, on behalf of everyone at 3 Dogs and RV, me and Missy, Spooky who's in his little house, Archie and Sammy who are right here. Thanks for tuning into our channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, leave us a comment. And the next time you hear from us, we're gonna be at Freightliner on Friday morning getting our TPMS sorted out. And that's the last thing we gotta do on the rig before we start heading back to Florida. Thanks again for tuning in to 3 Dogs and RV on behalf of me and Missy. Missy, anything you wanna say as you're putting stuff into the dishwasher?
No, I'm just excited that I'm gonna be sleeping in my RV tonight in my big king size bed.
All right, we're out of here, folks. See you later.